How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can bind emotes in FiveM. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. In my case, I'm using a normal version of GTA, but nonetheless, it's going to be the same process. And so the first thing that you want to do is to head over to a FiveM server. And once inside, you could just press F8 on your keyboard. That will take you to the console right here. Now, in my case, I'm going to use my cheat code menu as an example. Once again, you just want to press F8 and you will be taken to the console of the game itself. From there, you then want to type the following: bind keyboard. And then you want to use these symbols right here. So I'm going to bind my H key. And then you want to press space and just use the same thing again for e-dance. Let's go ahead and hit on enter. And simply from there, you are good to go. Once again, you could just edit out the middle one right here. Now, my E is going to be for dancing. So it's going to be dance right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.